Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a button in Windows called Slide to Shut Down. After you create this shortcut, you will be able to shut down Windows in a faster way. So first you're going to open your File Explorer, head over to this PC, then go to the Windows driver. After that, go to the Windows folder, scroll down to a folder called System32. As you can see, I have 4,490 items over here. I don't want to go through every single one, so I'm going to search Slide, and it shows up. Now, if I double click on this application, it shows me Slide to shut down your PC. If I slide it all the way, it's going to shut down, but I don't want to do that just yet. So I'm just going to slide it back up. To add this to your desktop, right click on it, go to Send To, and click on Desktop. Now go to your desktop, and you'll find it right here. Let's double click on it again. And it shows up once more. You can even add it to your taskbar by clicking on it and dragging it to your taskbar like that. And it works the exact same way. You just double click on it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time.